Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Phantom Wallet fail to authenticate. So the first step you need to do is to open Phantom Wallet. So once you open, you simply need to click here and you need to go into the app info. And once you are here, you simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to click on permissions and you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and you need to search for Phantom Wallet and you need to update the app, and then you need to restart your smartphone. Once you complete all that step, you need to open Phantom Wallet and try to authenticate, and after that your issue got resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.